Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and we love our iPhone 12 in white. You can see the color here and how sleek it is. I like the size of it. It's not too big and not too small. I also like the privacy that iPhone gives you, allowing you to have a password or either your Face ID. If you don't want to have your Face ID, you can just type in your password. And you can see here your home screen, you can text, you can use your email, and if you slide to your left, you'll see that you can have your widget screen where I have pictures and my calendar, my battery life, some stats on my phone, and a map. You can edit it to how you like to have specific apps. You can have apps all throughout your phone. I love listening to music on this phone. It's so clear and the volume's pretty loud. I also like that it has a feature if you're outside at night or anywhere at night and you don't have enough light to take a picture. It has night mode, which allows you to get a clear picture at night. Let me show you how that works. I'm in my son's nursery and it's completely dark, as you can see. The night mode button is next to the flash button at the top. You can see where it's yellow, it says 3 seconds. I click to take the picture at the bottom and it tells me to hold still until the picture is taken. And you can see here that the picture is so bright, it seems that the light is on in the room and no one would even know you took a picture. So if you're looking for a new phone, I definitely suggest trying this one from Apple, the iPhone 12. That's my point of view.